There were two childhood friends, Hai and Dave. They were very, very close and loved spending time together. They always hang out and enjoyed every moment as if there's no tomorrow. The day when my mom said that we have to move in our grandparents' province, I really cherished our moments together. When it's time to go, I tell him and we bid our goodbye.
May sasabihin pala ako sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Aalis na kami mamaya. Lilipat na kami sa ibang lugar.
Alam ko. Kaya may sinulat ako para sa'yo. Basahin mo to kapag nakarating ka na. Mag-iingat ka.
Mag-iingat ka rin.
After 10 years, nakita ko ulit siya. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Ngunit para bang di niya ako nakilala. As I saw her again, laughing with her friends, makes me flutter because she's so beautiful when she's smiling. I will just admire her from afar until she can remember me. I wait for her because that's our promise.
Ay, pinapalad.
Anong K-drama lang? Ang ganda nga nito kasi yung kwento nila, dalawa silang magkaibigan sila, childhood friends sila. Kaso yung lalaki, kailangan niya mag-move sa ibang lugar kasi andun yung family niya. Tapos, para bago niya iwan yung babae, may promise siya na one day daw, magkikita ulit sila and he will marry her.
Parang tayo.
Ha?
Wala.
As we hung out often, I introduced myself.
Ay,
Hello?
hindi mo lang ako nakapagpakulala.
I'm Haya.
But then, she still did not remember me. We became friends, and we kept hanging out like we used to be. She's still the same, the girl that I love. We continue our friendship even though she still did not remember me, our shared past.
Why is he always kept messing my hair? As I keep hanging out with Leo, it's giving me a deja vu of my past. Or maybe it's just a coincidence.
Alam mo pala, may ako sa bata ako. Ano yun? Parang siya yung unang
First love mo.
oo, and nagpangako siya na hindi niya sa akin hindi niya ako ibigay. Until salamat ko siya. Lilipat na pala siya. Parang tayo. Bakit na ako?
I kept wondering, is that you, Dave? Then, I remember the letter that Dave gave me and find it.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na ang lahat ng mga alaala natin ay nagpapasaya sa akin. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang mga sandaling kasama kita. Sana baunin mo yung pangako natin sa isa't isa. Hinahangad ko na sa tuwing tinitignan natin ang langit, alalahanin mo ang pangakong ito. Kung sakaling magkalayo man tayo, ito ay magiging gabay natin. Isa ang paalala na tayo ay para sa isa't isa. Mag-ingat ka palagi at lagi kong pinagdarasal ang iyong kaligayahan.
It's him, my first love, Leo Dave. As I read the letter, I run to him, but unfortunately, he's hugging another girl. Maybe I should just skip this. Go.
Ano ba ang problema mo? Kain tayo.
Alam mo na, bukit pa ako.
Hindi kayo yung mama nito. Iwan niyo. Uy, hindi ko kung bawid lang. Pati yung mga
Ba't di ako namamansin? Hindi ko nga may kasama kang babae nung nakaraan. Sensei pa nga eh.
Ano ka ba nagtalas ka ba? Kapatid ko.
Hindi ko? Ba't naman ako si Sel?
Kapatid ko.
Kapatid mo?
Tama na nga eh. Uwi na tayo.
As he clarified a misunderstanding, I decided to confess to him.
Hi. Importante lang sana ako. Please remember the girl that you were talking about last time. Yung childhood sweetheart mo na nag-promise sa'yo na it was me, Dave.
Despite of not recognizing him at first, our connection grew stronger as we faced challenges together. Eventually, we realized our true feelings and embraced our second chance of love. That despite of not seeing each other for years, we still remember and cherish the moments we used to be and until now.